pera. Ano tayo?
Wawa naman tayo, mga palaboy. Beware of pickpockets. Ha?
Ikaw, gahigulog. Hindi na ako ibot ng sasakyan ng cellphone.
Mangita, pamangin na kita di ay.
Pwede ka matilaw ko niya.
Mas mutuo man ako, siya mismo ang maka-experience. Magkano pala nandyan sa'yo?
20.
Kasi, kawawa naman tayo. Mulan pa talaga ng bongga. Coffee here. Dali daw. Ay, oh. Ito, mahal ha. Mahal, pera. Ara, accept.
From pay.
Yung na daw, karang bank transfer. Bank transfer. Kasi nasla wifi. Wifi? Do you have wifi? Payment online?
Okay, I can share for you.
Wifi?
One share hotspot ให้เขาได้ไหมเขาจะสแกนจ่าย Okay, she can share hotspot to you.
Misay mo halan. Mo wifi. Ay mo kwan.
Okay. Okay, only. Okay.
Itay des. Ay.
Yo, pues sa style na sarili ko no.
Kids, kete. Patayan na, kid. Kita nga kuntiin. At the same time then, pangaso bilang gid siya. Hold one. Um,
Okay.
That's fine.
for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Dali ka. Ay, agyanan dala. Because we don't have network. Internet.
I think you chop a lot. You don't have the cash money.
So,
Yes, already pay.
our cash already finished. No more cash.
I know. Okay,
Ah,
where you come from?
Philippines.